What's up, guys?
Bitch, I'm from Memphis. What you know about me? Big G-L-O-N-A-G-L-E. 50,000 new Chanel shopping spree, and every time I pop out, you know I A-T-E. I'm that bitch hoe, get like me. You know it's Y-W-R, big C-M-G. Wipe me down. Small niggas, tall niggas, long paper, no small fish. Big bitches, all pretty, and we all wearing booty shorts. Cause my paper long. It's a Friday night. My nigga ain't home. I pull my bitch shot.
So today we are gonna do a food review on
the Big M. Oh, didn't even plan that shit.
Okay, you know what I mean? We're gonna do this food review. You smell that?
Yum, yum.
A burger. Yeah, that shit is smelling real nice.
Tanisha, but you can call me
Big T. The biggest.
Right, not
Bitch,
the
I'm the
one.
biggest. And don't forget the realest.
With
Shy. Oh, you guys already know. We like, what do we want? Oh, burger? Okay.
burger
Let's
first.
get
Burger,
into it. Let's get into
burger.
it. So,
What did you get?
as you can see, I got the Big M burger. Nothing too serious. I didn't get no cheese or bacon. I wasn't trying to, extend my bill, I wanted to keep it safe, keep it cropped. But yeah, I got some lettuce, mayo, and ketchup, and cucumbers. That's mod. And if you tell me different, you're mod. So yeah, what do you get?
I got the what's it called? The banquet burger. It got some, what is it? Bacon, cheese, lettuce, tomato, mayo, ketchup, and a sweet barbecue. Look at here.
I know.
Big as fuck.
So let's say she got one of those.
And then we have the fries. I had some fries, so mine's a little low.
Low? Low.
Mine's are a little low. Cause look how hot yours are.
But still, like, they pack it up,
Yeah,
but
they
like,
do.
still, they do not real low.
My mom said, "Well, we got fries for tomorrow."
Great save for work.
Alright. Okay.
Damn.
You want a cheer drink?
Yeah. Extra lettuce on this bitch.
Oh, and I got sauteed onions. Cause they
on
do
it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Not on the side. That'd be dirty. Look, it's still steaming. I didn't.
that's what I'm saying. They don't play. They make sure you can extra grill that shit. So you better go and hit up the Big M and let them know that we sent you. Alright.
Cheers.
That's the shit I'm talking about. Every time. They don't miss.
Hold on. Cause you could.
I'm doing that extra ketchup just a little on that.
How about you said?
So the bun's just too soft. It just takes away all the sauce. So you just have to put extra little sauce. You still taste the sauce. Mind you, we're supposed to do this review with other people. But hey,
I went to swap on.
this is the second time, and we did that big one again.
Oh, this burger just like. I drank mine.
I actually want. Oh, you already got yours.
I drank mine.
I need
But I got me a.
What's this? Is that orange one?
It's a tropical mango. I want to try this.
Where'd you get that from? That can be so right there.
They got a Skittle drink. I'm like, what the fuck?
Skittle drink.
Yeah, that sounds too sweet for me.
I might have to do a food review. I mean, drink review on that.
They have 3 flavors.
There's that shit right here. I'm gonna come to it.
So be like, where you going? We're going to eat.
No, literally, I'm taking him out. Yeah. This is gonna be our first date.
I was gonna say a date.
I'm gonna act like I never tried it. Well, yeah, we didn't end up going. We didn't end up going. We didn't end up going. Yup. I don't know.
We went.
What else did you put on this shit? Cause I don't think it's
know.
mayo and ketchup.
That's what I'm saying. It's just better from what we got the last time. I don't want to put my burger down.
I was just about to say. And now I see why she got 2 burgers. She's lying.
She'll eat hers and his burger.
Clock it. You waited till we left.
Why did we just not find out about something?
I know. And she's
Liquid. Thing is, why the fuck is there sauteed onions in mini pieces?
I don't even know what sauteed onions are. 'Cause I don't like them.
Those onions. You know how Mr. T used to be like, saute the vegetables.
I was in the class, but sometimes he would just send me out because I was just distracting you guys.
Oh yeah. Tashaya.
Shit, they just dropped half of my burger.
You're fucking lying.
Oh no, it's a cucumber. Good job. It was in the burger. Got them in cheese. I was like, you have to run me back 2 bucks for that.
I'm scared for you.
Too good. You gotta be wasting this shit.
Tashaya, go sit on the other side. Sorry, I'm just thinking what Mr. T said. I'll never forget the day I went back and I'm like, Mr. T, do you remember me? He's like, I remember you. And a couple other people in my class. You, what's her name? Tashaya. And I can't forget about Jada.
Tricky. Like, we weren't even bad. It was just like, we just never had, like, free time. No. Oh.
Even when we were in the kitchen.
No, this is good. They need a bigger shot.
Like I said, my uncle's like, they're tucked in the corner. I'm like, that's how you know it's good. They tucked in the corner. But I feel like if they go bigger, it's not going to be the same no more.
Yeah.
Unless they're strict on how they cook their shit. After this, I gotta take a break on the big M's because I'm going to look like a big M.
No, I'm trying to look like Big M.
I'm not trying to look like a big M. And I think Big M is in there.
You said that. Couldn't hear my voice. Sound like a man right there.
Burger was hitting me. What's the difference?
Wow. Let's slap that burger real up.
Did you?
I was hungry. Haven't ate yet.
Batman, take another sip and dance. 2 left feet, don't trip and dance. The girl want me, I might give her a chance. Give her a look, she give me a glance. You wore that tight dress just to enhance.